Hi everyone. I just wanted to give you a very quick overview of what we got at the last pound sale. And this is the last pound sale because they're not going to do this anymore. But I always hunt for junk journal stuff, and I usually find stuff that I really like. This hasn't even been opened. It's called Make Your Own Birthday Cards. I'll have to take a look at it down the road. This was a little plastic doily, and it'll make a great stencil kind of thing. Of course, I always grab ledger paper. And there was like I said, I've said before, the games get dumped out, so there's just messes. And so I grabbed these because eventually I want to make some journal covers with them. And this time I managed to find 4 cute little golden books in pretty decent condition. And I always grab these word find things for my mom. Let me see about turning this around there. That way I can see what's going on. I grabbed these just because I liked the look of them. They're just copies of things, but I thought they'd be really cool in a junk journal. This was supposedly a sticker book. There's no stickers in it that I saw, but this is cool paper. It's got minions on it. So there again, junk journal stuff. There were calendars, several calendars this time, and I always grab calendars for the images. I especially liked these little images back here. I always grab paper if there's paper, because this calendar, now this is a 2018 calendar, but dang is it cool. I just loved the artwork in it. And I would never probably use the artwork by itself, but that butterfly alone, let me see here. You can't see the butterfly. That butterfly right there would be really cool. These shells, just things by themselves. And I'm sorry for the glare, guys, but that's the only way I can do this because there's just no light today. There was several packages of, oh, that's cute. I hadn't even opened that. Look at those cute little houses. Oh, they will be so cute, cut out and used as embellishments. So, I always grab up the scrapbook paper. This one says it's travel papers. I haven't even opened it. It was originally $2, and I know I couldn't have paid 50 cents for it. This was another calendar, and it's, again, let me see if I'm about getting here. So, again, sorry for the glare, guys. Let me see if I can angle this just a little different. Well, maybe. I don't know. There we go. Nope. So, but there again, there's such fun elements in the pictures. And this one was in its own case. Apparently it was never hung up, so there's some really cute little images on the back of it. These were really cool. These are really, really cool. These are record albums, okay? But they're actually holders for records. See, it's got a giant pocket. Now, this one was a little beat up, but I think this will be so much fun to alter and use because of these pockets. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do with it yet or how, but I am sure these are going to have to be altered, and then I'm going to use it. I may use it to hold my Happy Meal. And the thing of it is that I was able to get 2 of them, and this second one, the pages are in a little bit better condition. I mean, they'll have to be reinforced and stuff, but I thought, cool, can't hurt my feelings. And then this, if I'm not mistaken, this is a roll of Wonder Under, what we used to call Wonder Under. It's an iron-on adhesive, and I have a real good plan for that. I wasn't going to leave it there, that's for sure. This was just a brand new roll of self-adhesive decorative covering. I grabbed up a couple of boxes of playing cards. They're always good for tags and things like that. And sooner or later I might actually use them for something else. This was a cute little coloring book. And it actually has some things colored in it, but there's a couple of reasons I grabbed it. Partially because I thought that the little robots I've got some robot stuff I want to do a robot book with. And then it's got some cute Christmas things. So anyways, I grabbed that. There was this great roll of fall ribbon. Let me see if I can find something that makes it so you can see that. That's not very good either. I'm hoping you can see that. Okay. Anyways, it's leaves and it's gorgeous. So I grabbed the whole roll. Somebody apparently was trying to sell it for $10, and I am sure it cost way more than that at the store. This was just a cute little lace hanky. Oh, let's pull these over here. Okay. Now, this was just some calendar stuff, and these are actually, oops, sorry guys, didn't mean to. These are 2019 calendars. So I thought I'd just grab them. You know how that goes. This is a whole bag full of work baskets. And take a look at these. These are great. The ads in them are fabulous. Just the photos. You've got knee pain. And then, of course, the patterns in them are fun, too. So there was a whole bag of them. I grabbed those up. This is a pad of graph paper. Never go past paper, but this was a composition book, and it's not in as nice a shape as I had thought when I grabbed it, but, you know, I'm not worried about it. I'll use paper out of it. And I got 2 boxes of these. These are transparency sheets. Oops, I don't know whose that is. These are transparency sheets. And there's always fun stuff you can do with them. So I got 2 boxes of them this time. I think I have quite a few now. Now this is to put dents in the pie. But I saw it as a really cool thing on my jelly plate. And then these are plates. These are 2 gigantic, heavy plates. And I actually do not have a platter. And when Jeff saw me, he's like, this is kind of heavy and it'll be kind of expensive. But these are brand new $18 Pure One plates. See here. So there was one more, but it was chipped and I didn't grab it. But so I grabbed these because they will make good platters. I grabbed these not because I needed notebooks, but because I thought they would make nice covers. And they are 3-ringed, and they had some really cool dividers in them. So I thought, you know, that would be fun to have. Of course I grabbed these. These are pastels. And they're in pretty decent condition. Now there's a couple of them that are kind of used up, but for the most part, they're there. And I actually don't have pastels, so I grabbed those. I did grab a couple of pieces of fabric this time. I grabbed this piece for myself. This is velvet. It's never been out of its wrapper, and it came from, it's a yard of velvet, and it couldn't have weighed a pound. And I can see a really nice book cover out of that. And this piece is enough for my mom to make a pillowcase out of. She likes to make pillowcases. It's a ongoing, what shall I call it, project for her to make pillowcases to give to foster kids and the nursing homes. And this is just a little pencil bag, but it was so cute, and so I grabbed it. I thought, you know, I could put it in a journal. I could stitch it into a journal, and you'd have a pencil bag in a journal. And I always grab up these, wait a minute, we're looking at the wrong side here. Just a minute, let me change my position. I will get things moved a little closer. So, and there's some of these that I think are just gorgeous, and these are mostly mandalas, but then back here there's some really cute little hearts, which again would be cute cut out for embellishments. And these would make fabulous journal pages. So, have that. These were a couple of crochet magazines. Now, I did not grab all of these, I don't think. I think some of them were sticky or wet, so I did not grab everything. But I grabbed some of these crochet magazines because I love the patterns in them. And this time, excuse me, there was a lot of music. I was real surprised. This book is from 1933, and it's just aged so beautifully. It's just gorgeous. And there was a lot of sheet music. There were a lot of music books. This is piano music, but there was all kinds of music this time. Oh, there's one more down here I really want to show you. I mean, they're all gorgeous. They all have beautiful, beautiful aging on them. Okay. Doggone it. Oh, here it is. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't that just absolutely gorgeous? And the color of the pages is just amazing. These are just beautiful, beautiful pages. And this one's just Christmas carols. So, and it's got some beautiful illustrations in it on the pages. So, let's see, what else is down here? Oh, I did grab up this time a bunch of cards. I didn't have any Christmas cards left. I don't send a lot of Christmas cards, but I did grab up some this time. There were a few craft supplies. These are brand new crochet hook and knitting needles, and this ruler looks to be brand new too. So, you know, and I can always use those things. I thought these pads of writing paper were just gorgeous. I think this is just, it's just beautiful. And I can see those tucked in or on a page. And this is just gorgeous paper. Let me tip it up. There we go. Then, of course, there was more cards. There was some Christmas wrapping paper this time. I don't wrap things, but I like to use these things. I did not do a December daily this year, but I think that next year I probably will. And so these things will come in handy. These are so cute. They would make really cute embellishments. And that's just more cards. Let me see down through here. There's a big old stack of envelopes. There's some stickers. So there's all that stuff. Then there was a few patterns, and they're not very heavy. And I always grab these up for the tissue that's in them. And then, you know, I just grab them because they're not very heavy, and so for that price it's fine. Then this little bag, I decided not to try to get it out. It was too much trouble. It has lots of game cards in it. Like I said, these always end up dumped down in the box. So I just grab up what I can and go on. I loved these giant puzzle pieces. I thought they were really cool. And then there was some lace, so I grabbed it up. I'll have to get that in the wash machine. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little haul, and I need to go, so have a good afternoon. Have fun. Make smart.